In the heart of Siberia, on the morning of June 30th, 1908, the sky was torn asunder by a cosmic cataclysm that would forever alter the course of history. This was the Tunguska Event, a moment when the heavens unleashed their fury upon the earth. The air shimmered with impossible light, and a deafening roar split the silence, followed by a blinding flash that lit up the night like 1,000 suns. In an instant, a shockwave rippled across the tundra, flattening forests in a perfect spiral, uprooting millions of trees, and sending shockwaves that were felt hundreds of kilometers away. Witnesses spoke of fireballs streaking across the sky, of a sky that turned blood red, and of a sound so loud it was said to have shattered windows and knocked people off their feet. Yet, despite the sheer scale of the devastation, no crater was ever found, only a scarred landscape and a lingering mystery. The Tunguska Event remains one of the greatest enigmas of the 20th century, a cosmic puzzle that has defied explanation for over a century. Scientists, historians, and dreamers alike have grappled with its secrets, proposing theories ranging from comets to alien technology. But what if the truth lies not in the wreckage, but in the echoes of a celestial visitor that still haunt the skies above Siberia? This is the story of the Tunguska Event, a tale of power, mystery, and the fragile boundary between the known and the unknown. In the heart of Siberia, where the taiga stretches endlessly under a sky of unbroken silence, the Tunguska Event unfolded with a fury that shattered the heavens. On that fateful day, witnesses spoke of a sky ablaze with an otherworldly light, a fireball descending like a vengeful star, its radiance piercing the dark. The air trembled as a deafening roar split the earth, a sound so profound it was felt in the bones of those who stood in its path. Herders, their faces etched with terror, recounted how the ground shook violently, sending animals to the ground in panic, while the very trees seemed to bow in submission to an invisible force. In the aftermath, a haunting stillness fell over the land, as if the universe itself had paused to witness the devastation. Local communities, once untouched by the modern world, found their lives irrevocably altered. The forest, once a sanctuary of life, became a desolate expanse of uprooted trees, their trunks twisted like the victims of an ancient curse. Elders spoke in hushed tones of strange omens, of a sky that wept fire, and of a silence so absolute it seemed to swallow the very soul of the region. The impact of this celestial cataclysm rippled through generations, leaving behind a legacy of mystery and fear. Scientists, drawn to this enigmatic scar on the Earth, grappled with the absence of a crater, the lack of debris, and the lingering questions that defied explanation. Yet, for the people of Tunguska, the event was not merely a scientific anomaly. It was a reckoning, a moment when the cosmos had reached down to remind humanity of its fragility. Their stories, etched in memory and folklore, echo through time, a testament to the power of nature and the indomitable spirit of those who witnessed the impossible. In the decades following the cataclysmic explosion over Siberia, the scientific community launched a relentless pursuit of truth, determined to unravel the enigma of the Tunguska Event. The first expedition, led by the intrepid Russian scientist Leonid Kulik in 1921, ventured into the heart of the taiga, where the forest stood as a silent witness to the unimaginable force that had shattered the sky. Kulik's journey was fraught with peril, harsh winters, treacherous terrain, and the ever-present shadow of the unknown. Yet, his findings ignited a firestorm of theories that would echo through the annals of science. Early hypotheses ranged from the plausible to the fantastical: a comet, a meteorite, or even a rogue black hole. Each theory was a fragment of a puzzle, yet no definitive evidence emerged. The absence of a crater, the peculiar distribution of fallen trees, and the lingering mystery of the event's energy left scientists grappling with a riddle that defied conventional understanding. As decades passed, New technologies and methodologies emerged, fueling fresh investigation. The Tunguska Event became a beacon for the unknown, challenging humanity's grasp on the cosmos. Yet, through every failed hypothesis and every dead end, the spirit of inquiry endured. The event remains a testament to the limits of human knowledge and the boundless curiosity that drives us to seek answers in the face of the inexplicable. As the sun set over the scorched forest, one truth remained. The Tunguska Event was not just a moment in history, but a call to explore the vast, uncharted realms of the universe. In the heart of Siberia, where the sky cracked open in a cosmic cataclysm, the meteorite hypothesis emerges as a towering pillar of scientific inquiry. The Tunguska Event, a celestial reckoning that shattered the heavens in 1908, remains one of Earth's greatest enigmas. What could unleash such a cataclysmic force? The answer lies in the heavens, a rogue asteroid or comet hurtling through the void at unimaginable speeds. Astronomers, armed with telescopes and data spanning a century, have traced the echoes of this ancient collision. The air shimmered with ionized particles, the ground trembled with seismic fury, and the forest bowed in a silent, scorched surrender. Yet, the evidence is elusive. No meteorite remains, only the scars of a sky that once burned. The stars themselves seem to whisper of this moment, their light bending through the chaos. As scientists peer deeper into the cosmos, they find parallels in distant asteroids, their trajectories etched by the same forces that once ravaged Siberia. The Tunguska Event is not just a relic of the past, it is a warning, a cosmic reminder of Earth's fragility. The sky, once silent, now speaks in data, in equations, in the relentless pursuit of truth. What if the heavens are watching? What if the next chapter of this story is yet to be written? In the shadow of the Tunguska Event, whispers of the unknown have echoed through time. While mainstream science points to a cosmic airburst, a daring chorus of alternative theories dares to imagine a far more profound mystery. Could this cataclysm have been a celestial visitor, a rogue alien craft descending from the void, its engines pulsing with otherworldly energy? Or perhaps a gateway to dimensions beyond our comprehension, where ancient forces stirred the very fabric of reality? Theories abound, each more audacious than the last. Some claim the explosion was not a natural phenomenon but a deliberate act, a message from a forgotten civilization etched into the sky by hands that no longer walk the earth. Others speak of paranormal energies, of a hidden power source buried beneath the Siberian tundra, capable of bending time and space. Dr. Wines E. Tikov, a pioneer in the field, once suggested that the event was a cosmic experiment, a collision of technologies far beyond human understanding. Meanwhile, fringe researchers propose that the blast was a manifestation of psychic phenomena, a collective unconscious awakening to a truth too vast to grasp. Theories range from ancient astronauts to interdimensional portals, each painting a vivid tapestry of possibility. Yet, amid the speculation, one truth remains. The Tunguska Event is a riddle without an answer, a cosmic enigma that continues to haunt the edges of human knowledge. What if the truth lies not in the sky, but in the depths of our own forgotten past? What if the forest still holds secrets, waiting for the right eyes to see? The universe is vast, and the unknown is infinite. The story of Tunguska is far from over. In the aftermath of the Tunguska Event, the Earth itself bore the scars of a cosmic cataclysm. The Siberian taiga, once a serene expanse of ancient forests, became a battlefield of nature's fury. Trees, some towering over 30 meters, were felled like matchsticks, their trunks splintered and twisted in a chaotic dance of destruction. The ground, scorched by an invisible force, radiated heat for years, leaving a hauntingly silent landscape where life once thrived. This was not merely a disaster, it was a testament to the raw power of the universe, a reminder of humanity's fragility in the face of celestial wrath. Scientists, decades later, would uncover a paradox. No crater, no meteorite, only a lingering mystery that defied explanation. Yet, the ecological consequences were profound. The explosion's shockwave altered the region's climate, casting shadows over ecosystems for years. Rivers changed course, lakes vanished, and the air, thick with unidentifiable particles, carried whispers of a cosmic visitor. Wildlife, too, bore the mark of this event. Some species vanished from the area, while others, like reindeer, exhibited strange behaviors, their instincts disrupted by forces beyond their comprehension. Even today, the Tunguska event lingers in the collective imagination, a haunting echo of nature's indifference to human existence. It is a story of resilience, of life clawing its way back from the brink, and of a planet that, though scarred, continues to endure. The taiga, now regrown, stands as both a monument and a warning, a silent guardian of a day when the sky itself wept fire, and the earth trembled beneath the weight of the unknown. In the wake of the Tunguska event, the world stood in awe and confusion, as if the very fabric of reality had been torn asunder. Cultures across the globe reacted with a mix of fear, fascination, and speculation, weaving the mystery of Tunguska into the tapestry of human imagination. In Siberia, the indigenous Evenki people spoke of a celestial serpent that had descended from the heavens, its roar shaking the earth and leaving a trail of devastation. Their tales, passed down through generations, painted a picture of cosmic forces beyond human comprehension. Meanwhile, in the West, scientists and theologians clashed over the event's origins. Was it a divine omen, a scientific anomaly, or a harbinger of an apocalyptic age? Theories flourished like wildfire. Some claimed it was a rogue comet, others whispered of alien spacecraft, while mystics saw it as a test of humanity's resilience. The media seized upon the chaos, transforming Tunguska into a symbol of the unknown, a catalyst for both fear and wonder. In literature and art, the event inspired visions of cosmic collisions and existential dread, echoing through the works of authors and filmmakers who sought to capture its haunting beauty. Even today, Tunguska lingers in the collective consciousness, a reminder of nature's power and the limits of human knowledge. It became a mirror reflecting society's deepest anxieties and aspirations, a testament to the enduring human quest to understand the universe. As the echoes of that fateful day faded into history, one truth remained. Tunguska was not just an event, but a turning point, forever altering how humanity perceives its place in the cosmos. In the decades since that fateful morning of June 30, 1908, the Tunguska event has remained one of Earth's greatest enigmas, a cosmic whisper from the void, echoing through time. But now, armed with the tools of modern science, humanity is finally beginning to unravel its secrets. Advanced satellite imaging, seismic sensors, and computer simulations have transformed the Siberian wilderness into a laboratory of discovery. Scientists, driven by an unyielding curiosity, have ventured into the heart of the taiga, where the scars of the explosion still linger beneath the snow. With lighter technology, they map the landscape in breathtaking detail, uncovering patterns hidden for a century. Hypotheses once dismissed as mere speculation, asteroid impacts, antimatter collisions, even extraterrestrial craft, now face the cold, unrelenting gaze of data. The discovery of microscopic diamond dust, remnants of extreme pressure, has reignited debates about the nature of the object that shattered the sky. International collaborations, fueled by cutting-edge AI and quantum computing, are reconstructing the event with unprecedented precision. Yet, for all the progress, the mystery deepens. What force could unleash such power? And why has it left no crater, no tangible trace? The Tunguska event is no longer just a relic of the past, it is a mirror reflecting our evolving understanding of the universe. As technology advances, so too does our ability to peer into the unknown, to bridge the gap between myth and science. The story of Tunguska is far from over. It is a call to explore, to question, and to dare to imagine what lies beyond the edge of our knowledge. The cosmos has spoken. Now, it is our turn to listen. In the annals of cosmic history, few events rival the sheer power and mystery of the Tunguska event. Yet, when we peer beyond its Siberian wilderness, we uncover a tapestry of cosmic cataclysms that echo across time. Consider the Chelyabinsk meteor of 2013, a celestial intruder that shattered windows and hearts alike, yet paled in comparison to Tunguska's apocalyptic fury. Or the Barringer crater, a silent monument to an ancient impact, its scars etched in stone, but lacking the explosive drama of a sky-splitting fireball. Even the Chicxulub impact, which heralded the end of the dinosaurs, cannot match the enigmatic silence of Tunguska's unmarked crater. These events are not mere footnotes. They are testaments to Earth's resilience, each a chapter in the relentless story of cosmic collisions. Tunguska, however, stands alone. A cosmic whisper turned roar, its energy equivalent to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, yet leaving no tangible trace but a scorched forest and a haunting legacy. It is a paradox, a celestial ballet of destruction and mystery, where science and myth entwine. As we draw parallels, we are reminded the universe is not kind. It is a titan, hurling its wrath with indifference, and Tunguska is but one of its many thunderous echoes, a reminder that even in our modern age, the cosmos remains an untamed force, waiting to be understood. The Tunguska event remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the 20th century. A cosmic cataclysm that shattered the skies over Siberia in 1908, leaving behind a void of unanswered questions. What force could unleash such devastation? Was it a comet, an asteroid, or something far more alien? The absence of physical evidence, the eerie silence of the taiga, and the lingering whispers of witnesses fuel a relentless curiosity. Decades of research have uncovered fragments of truth, yet the core of the enigma remains elusive. Scientists continue to debate theories, from the impact of a fragmented celestial body to the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial technology. Each new discovery, whether a trace of iridium in the soil or anomalies in atmospheric data, only deepens the intrigue. As technology advances, so too does our ability to peer into the past. Satellites, AI-driven simulations, and deep Earth drilling now join the quest to unravel the event's origin. Yet, the mystery endures, a haunting reminder of nature's power and the limits of human understanding. Could there be more to Tunguska than meets the eye? What secrets lie buried beneath the frozen ground, waiting to be unearthed? The pursuit of answers is not merely an academic endeavor. It is a testament to humanity's unyielding drive to explore the unknown. As we stand on the brink of new revelations, the echoes of that fateful day continue to challenge us, urging us to look beyond the horizon into the vast, uncharted cosmos. The Tunguska event is not just a relic of the past. It is a beacon, guiding us toward the next great discovery.